All right, so today we're going to make some pasta dough. So what I have here is a special blend of flour, semolina, and what I'm going to do is this is 3 cups of flour. I have over here 4 whole eggs that are just lightly beaten, and we have some 4 to 5 tablespoons of just cold water, and then we have some flour that's going to be for the rolling out of the forming of it. So we're going to take our mound of flour here, we're going to make a well right in the middle of it. And then we're going to add these eggs all at once. And hopefully the dam doesn't break. So we're going to kind of pinch it. And there goes my dam. We're just going to get this to come together, and then what we'll do is we'll add the water after we get the eggs all completely incorporated. I'm going to get me a bowl scraper. Okay, that'll work better. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of the water. This dough is going to be very, very light. A little bit more water here. And this is going to have to rest for 30 minutes after I get it made, because I want that flour to have a chance to relax, because I'm going to be working a lot of gluten into it, which is the protein in the flour. So, and then we'll roll it out again. So we're going to make it into a rectangle about 1 inch thick, and that should that's how it's going to sit for 30 minutes. And then we'll put it in the machine, and we'll roll it out into like fettuccine. You can see how it's starting to come together there. A bench scraper is a great tool to have. If you don't have one, they come in many different formats. In other words, you can buy very expensive ones, or you can even buy just plain plastic ones. Whatever you do buy, it doesn't matter. Whatever you can afford, but it's a good tool to have. There we go. So making pasta dough is nothing really all that difficult. It takes a little bit of time, but it tastes a lot better than the dried stuff. So I highly recommend it, and I think that's going to be just about it. Sweet, that looks good. I don't know what we're going to do with this tonight, but it's going to be dinner. Okay, so let's go ahead and shape this into our 1 inch rectangle. And we'll come back to this in 30 minutes and then we'll make noodles out of it or some kind of a pasta. Now, the thing of it is, though, is that pasta is either going to have to be hung to dry out, or it has to be put in little nests on your board in order for it to dry out. Otherwise, it clumps. Cooking time, again, is going to be very, very quick. Not any more than maybe 4 to 5 minutes. We'll cook this off in 3 quarts of water with salt, right? Always have salt when you cook your pasta. And that's going to be it. I'm going to wrap that in plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature. Thank you.